Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how many garden coins you need to buy the full seed shop. There's only 4 seeds here. In the second tier, there is the broccoli seed, potato seed, Brussels sprout seed, and cocoa mango seed. The broccoli seed you are able to see in the potato seed. The broccoli seed is worth 2 garden coins. The potato seed is worth 3 garden coins. The Brussels sprout, you will need 6 coins for that. And cocoa mango seed, you'll need 7 coins for that. I've heard that the cocoa mango is a very up plant, so if there is a chance for it to restock, hopefully Jenna will do it on this update. I'm not actually sure though. I don't think it will happen, but if you get the chance, you can buy it for 7 garden coins. I have 10 in stock because I bought the Ascension fence as well as a slot for more eggs. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.